Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to merge cells with text on your spreadsheet on Microsoft Office Excel. So the first thing that you have to do is to open your uh, Office Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. So now I'm going to do some giving just some text uh, to my cells, and I will merge them. Uh, So now, if I want to merge a cell, I need first to go to the Format Cell window. So I need to select my cells and right click on them, and then I will search for the cell formatting or cell format. Here down, I have something called Format Cells. So I'm going to click on it, and I have the alignment window or menu. So now I have to click on merge cells and click OK. But the problem is that the merging cells keeps only the first value on the left. So the only solution that I have is just to copy the text and merge the cells. Then merge the cells, and let's merge them and click OK. And now you can paste your text that we have. It didn't being copied. Uh, it's just copy and then merge the cells. Okay, and it didn't copy here. So let's just have it. Let's go back, copy and do it like here, and we will go and merge and center because we can merge just like this. Okay, and let's select these ones. In here you can just select it one by one. Let's have only values. Under paste option, so we will choose only the value. As you can see, it is impossible for now, but we can do a trick. Is only we need to do a formula after merging the cell and having concatenating each cell like this and have it like that. Let's have this value. Or we can do concatenate in the first string and the third second, and then we go for the third, and it will have a concatenation, and you can add a special character here, like between each we have a space and go for like that, and here also having space like this, and you will have the concatenation. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.